Are you working in a feature factory? This is a very easy situation to find yourself in, and it's a dangerous one. The problem with feature factories is it creates this illusion that being busy is the same as being successful. So I stumbled on two great posts from John Cutler that cover this exact topic. The first one is titled 12 Signs That You're Working in a Feature Factory. And out of these 12, there are three that I see really commonly. First is no measurement of outcomes. I see so many startups prioritize building product instead of actually measuring how the product is doing. Second is constant shuffling on teams where people are working on features instead of initiatives. Also super common, you always have this long list of really cool features you could build, but you want to make sure they always map up into a larger initiative. Third, obsessing over prioritization. This one kind of really stuck with me because I've always been obsessed with prioritization. And this leads really naturally into the second blog post that John Cutler wrote, which dives into this exact topic. It's titled, Quit Planning Ahead and Keeping People Busy. This particular quote that's highlighted is, as product people, we need to work more on the mission and less on playing Tetris with teams and initiatives. I love this. In fact, in my current role as head of product, I don't actually have time to plan out the tasks anymore. So I'm certainly not planning out tasks in a Tetris manner, but I do feel like I do plan out projects in a Tetris manner. So this really gave me food for thought. I do want to caveat this in that this is kind of like the ideal state, right? Sometimes at the company that you're at, you might not actually have a team that's well suited for that validation phase. The other thing is a lot of people in the industry are going to measure you on output. So unless you have buy-in from management that validation is important, it's really important to know that you have to get that output out too. But overall, if you really step back, I think the main takeaway is sometimes spending that extra time on pre-planning and including the engineers in that pre-planning is going to result in a more efficient use of time and everyone is going to feel better about it. Check out these two blog posts. I'll link to them in the comments.